So just a quick update on TableTrac, a company that I've talked about before that I have a small investment in. And this isn't a recommendation to buy or sell. This is just how I invest, not how you should invest. And this is me walking through my process. So when I buy this, I usually put a limit order. Or I always put a limit order because it's such a small company that any buying or selling would move the price. So I put a limit order in, and sometimes I'll go 2 weeks before I get a fill. But it did sell off yesterday for not very good reason, and it's up a little today, and I still think it's cheap. So it looks like it's got a PE of about 13, but actually it's quite low because if you look at how much cash they have a tiny bit of debt and they have a ton of cash. So if you look at the statistics, it's actually about 35% of their market cap is cash. So, the 13 PE really isn't a 13. If you back out the cash, you're getting it for kind of less than a PE of 10. And this isn't a company that's going to grow into a huge compounder because the total addressable market is very small. This is casino management software for, casinos like in Vegas and Atlantic City. So it's a very small market, but they're a very great player in that market. Unlike their competitors, their software has never been hacked. And even though other game providers, like they give the slot machines and stuff like that, will throw in the casino management software for free as a bonus, these guys sell their own, and it's so much better that customers are willing to pay for it. So it has come down because last quarter they didn't have sales. And if you look at if you listen to the conference call, they mentioned that one of the sales that they had in the pipeline won't close till this quarter. So even though it made the last quarter look bad, it's going to make this quarter look better. And they have a ton of cash. So, and a really unique moat because it's a small software company. So larger software companies probably aren't interested into getting into this game. And part of their moat is that any equipment that you put into a casino, including software, has to be approved by the state gaming commissions. And they already have those approvals in places like Nevada where people like to operate, and anyone else would have to start from scratch. And it might take, a couple of years for them to even get permission to do that at all. So it's a very reliable business. And besides the install and the equipment, they've been getting more revenue from these servicing contracts. So it's kind of like software as a service in the future. And what made the stock sell off a couple of days ago is, what this news article says, CEO transition. And normally when a CEO leaves, that's bad, but nobody actually left. So the CEO is now the president and chief technology officer, and the chief financial officer is now the CEO, which I think is actually a good thing because they have so much cash that they're not using that. Who knows, maybe a buyback's in order or a dividend or something like that. But anyway, that's just my thoughts on that and an update. And you can see the other videos I've done on TableTrac if you want more background on them. Let me know what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like